Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tasks to make your life a whole lot easier. Today's topic is all about how to pay your Mastercard at a bank branch. Whether you're new to managing credit cards or just want a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's dive right in. First things first, why pay at a bank branch? It's straightforward, secure, and great if you prefer in-person interactions or don't have online access. Before you head out, gather what you need: your Mastercard statement or account number, a valid ID, and the payment amount in cash, check, or debit card. Step 1. Locate your nearest bank branch. Most major banks like Chase, Bank of America, or your Mastercard issuer's partner banks will handle this. Check their website or app for locations and hours to avoid any surprises. Once you're there, step 2 is to join the queue or head to the teller counter. Politely explain that you want to make a payment on your Mastercard. They'll ask for your account details, so have that ready. If your Mastercard is issued by a different bank, confirm they accept payments for it. Most do, but it's good to double check. Step 3. Hand over the payment. If you're using cash, count it out clearly. For checks, make sure it's made out correctly. The teller will process the transaction, which usually takes just a few minutes. Don't forget to ask for a receipt. It's your proof that the payment went through. A quick tip: always verify the payment amount to avoid overpaying or fees. Also, if you're in a rush, some branches have ATM options for credit card payments, but for Mastercard specifically, the teller route is often the most reliable. Wrapping this up, paying your Mastercard at a bank branch is simple and gives you peace of mind. If you follow these steps, you'll be all set. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. See you next time.